Apply. Apply a small amount of Footlogix Professional Cuticle Softener directly onto the cuticle and nail fold of each toe and allow to absorb for 60 seconds for easy removal of excess debris. While waiting for the cuticle softener to absorb, cut the toenails with precision implements. Clean. Use the double-sided Footlogix excavator and file to clean out debris and smooth edges. The excavator side with round edge effectively cleans debris around the toenails, in the groove, and under the free edge. The small, smooth head makes it easy to reach tight sidewalls. Smooth. Smooth the corners of the nail in the groove area with the file. The narrow double-sided head helps in non-evasive removal of sharp edges and nail spicula. Shape the free edge, clean the cuticle area, and buff the nail plate. In place of a buffer, you can use an electric file. Reapply Footlogix Cuticle Softener as required. It is not necessary to rinse the foot, as the cuticle softener will continue to hydrate long after the service is complete. Gently wipe off any remaining skin debris with a towel. Repeat on the other foot. Condition. Apply a small amount of Footlogix Cuticle Conditioner directly onto each cuticle and massage cuticles in a circular motion.